Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your transaction limit on the NC Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NC Wallet application on your device, and after entering your PIN code or biometrics, you can tap on the menu option at the top left corner, and now you will see the limits option. Go ahead and tap on it, and if you have a limit set within any currency, it will appear within the active limit section. You can tap on this in order to make any changes. Just tap on the change option that you see, and now you can make your change to your limit that you have set. After entering your desired limit, tap on the change button, and now it will take some time until your change will be registered. The maximum wait time is up to 2 days. When you go back into this option, you will then see the cancel changes option. If you change your mind, you can tap on this to cancel the change that you have made. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your transaction limit on the NC Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.